Alright, let's get mixing. So usually I do this in my bathroom because bleach obviously bleaches everything, not just hairs. So make sure you wear something old or a bathrobe that can be messed up, but be careful with your application. Obviously you do not want to get anything in your eye, so be gentle, use product moderately. Alright, so now that I've got all my warnings out of the way, I'm gonna go into what kind of bleach I use. So I use the Super Oriole Blanc, and I actually got this at Ricky's in New York last year, and my last one just died on me. I did not keep it dry, keep that in mind. So I need a new one. So the thing you want to do with blue bleach powder is mix a consistency that is about 50-50, so 1-to-1 powder and developer. So I do not use any measuring tool or whatever. I just go in and I mix a liquid that kind of resembles blue yogurt. So you do not need a lot of it. You just want to go in with a little bit and then give it a little dribble of developer. Now you do not want to go higher than 6% or 20 volume because you will damage your skin. This one's actually white. Okay, so this is going to be new for me. I need a little bit more developer. And you just need a tiny bit of everything. So the reason I use blue bleach powder is because it cancels out the yellow in the hair, that, you know, the warmth that comes through. It works a little bit the same as concealing. You want to take something that is the opposite. So yellow and blue are opposites of each other on the color wheel, and we do not want yellow eyebrows. So what I do is I grab a tissue because I want to protect my eyes while I'm applying my bleach. I grab a little bit of the dye on my brush and go against the hair growth. Because I want to make sure that all the roots are covered. On the brow bone I go quite low because I have a lot of fuzzy hair surrounding my more prominent brow hairs, and I want them to be covered as well. If you are doing this for the first time, then please be careful with the time frame that you leave the bleach on. So you do not want to exceed 25 to 30 minutes with the bleach on top, because you might lose your brow hairs if you keep it on longer or with a higher percentage of developer. So really make sure that every hair is covered. Now, because I am just doing a brow root update, I do not need to leave it on for that long, because I just want to lift the darkness of the brow root, and I do not need to bleach the entire thing over and over again. So I leave it on for about 5 minutes. No, because hair literally grows everywhere with me, I go inwards a little more. Right, when you are sure you have engulfed every single hair into that hair dye, I'm gonna take a little bit of cellophane foil. Now, obviously to cover your brows, you do not need a very large piece of cellophane foil. So I cut a smaller piece off. Sticky stuff. And then with that smaller piece, I'm going to cover up those brows, partially to protect my lashes from bleaching, and partially because adding cellophane foil on top will keep the heat in, and that will make the dye work a little bit faster. Let's put the countdown on, let's say 4 minutes now. Hello loves, we're back. So we're gently going to peel off cellophane foil, fold it double so you make sure no one will be slathered in brow bleach. Then I grab a tissue, and with the tissue that I fold double and double, I wipe away the bleach so I can see if we've gone down enough. If we need to reapply, obviously I don't need to, so double and double. Then with a cotton pad and some makeup remover, I wipe away the rest of the bleach. And be gentle because your skin is sensitive, especially after that amount of bleach. So don't rub and tug it too much. Alright, once you've done that, you want to moisturize with a nice thick layer of skincare, because your brow hairs can use a little bit of moisture and your skin especially can use a lot. And that, my loves, concludes my brow bleach tutorial. If you have any questions, then please post them down below or send me a DM on Instagram. I don't care. Just ask me a question if you want to. Have a good day.